name's Allison, Princess of the Desert, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you my Halloween costume for 2018. I made this adorable DIY unicorn hoodie that is so soft and cozy. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So as always, out of literally a billion other YouTube creators out there, thank you so much for choosing to watch me make a DIY unicorn hoodie today. Be sure and give this video a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell to see more of me in the future. You can also check out my second channel, Allison Adventure, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cantering Gorgeous. But for now, let's get on with the video. So I want to start out by explaining that I am in no way a professional at sewing or crafts or DIYs, that whole type of thing, okay? So when I was editing this footage, I realized that I had accidentally skipped some of the steps. There are things that I did not explain very well, so I will do my best to leave detailed instructions in the description box. You can go and check there if there's anything, if you're confused about anything. So this video is just going to kind of be my documenting of this DIY and kind of sharing with you a little bit of how I made this costume. So if you just like to sit back and watch, maybe get ideas if you want to make a unicorn hoodie for yourself. But enough rambling, let us get on with the video. So the very first thing you're going to need is you are going to need a hoodie. You can use one you already have. You can look on clearance rack, even thrift maybe. I got this one because it's like a velour material, and so I wanted it because it would kind of be like soft unicorn fur. So next you are going to need some fleece. So this is what we're going to be using to make the mane, the unicorn hair. And I got 3 of my favorite colors, and this is where you can really personalize what you want your unicorn to look like. These are just my favorite colors. You could do rainbow colors, you could do blues and purple, just anything you wanted. So this to me is the fun part. I got my fleece from JoAnn's, and I have half a yard of each color. Then you will need some felt squares. You can basically get felt squares anywhere. I have glitter white, and this is going to be used for the horn. I have gray for the ears. You will also need some polyfill. I call it fluffy stuff. Anyway, you're going to need a little bit of this to fill the horn so it stands up really nice and solid. And then really boring things, you will need sharp scissors. You will need some pins. I am using quilting pins because they're a little bit longer. You will also need some matching thread and a needle for a little bit of hand sewing. Okay, and the last thing I have is I have a sewing machine. I decided that I wanted my hoodie to hold together really well, so I will be machine sewing it. You probably could hand sew it or glue it if you really wanted to, but I will be using a sewing machine. Okay, so really quickly, I wanted to share kind of cutouts that I made. This is how I did the horn. I made a triangle, and there's a little bit extra space to sew it. It is pinned together, and I have to leave this extra part so that we can attach it to the hood. So it does need a little bit of extra space. These are the ears. If you wanted, you could probably like look up a pattern for horse ears and find something. So I just kind of created the pattern for it myself. Same exact concept here. We're going to sew the ear, and we're going to leave some extra space to attach it to the hood later. Is these strips. These are 4 inches, which would be about 10 centimeters. These strips we're going to use as a cuff around the sleeve of the hoodie. And then we're going to cut it out to kind of make like hair on the end of the arms. So that is that strip there, our ears and our horn. So now I think it is time to sew. So I have all the pieces sewed together, and now we have to inside it out. So I have the ears and the unicorn horn ready to go on hoodie. So I have this big piece of felt that we cut out for the mane, and it needs to be attached to the center of the hoodie. I left enough space where the horn is going to go, so we just have to make sure it gets pinned all down the center. these are the pieces that I had cut out for the cuffs to put on the sleeves. So I have this one pinned, you know, it's pinned around here, and then we're gonna sew it all the way around, and then it'll fold over, and then we'll cut it out like the mane. So that is our next step. Pin the cuff all the way around the end of the sleeve. So now I'm just cutting fleece on the sleeves, and these are about 1/2 inch, I wanna say. They're not perfect, they're just... so, like that. So now we get on to attaching the ears. Slowly make kind of a space for the ear. We have our ear. And so I'm going to put it up through here. It'll be sewn in kind of around like that. So our ear would attach to the hood just like that. So here are the ears. I feel like the ears were like the most difficult part of this entire project. So mine aren't perfect, but I think they work. I think they're cute. I think all we have left to do is trim the mane and put on the horn. And then we are all finished with our unicorn hoodie. So what I have done is I cut a hole in the top of the hoodie, very, very carefully in a small hole because it will stretch. And I put the horn up through the middle of that. Now this is kind of the tricky part because we have to sew, you know, the horn to the fabric of the hoodie. So I'm just trying to get that adjusted nicely. It's just this final stage is going to be kind of tricky. So I would just say just take your time and really, you know, get it the way you want, because this is a little bit tricky. So our next step is going to be to sew the horn into the hoodie. I did have to take the stuffing out of it because it's easier to sew that way. On a machine, it's way too fat and puffy. So what I'm going to do now is we got to put it under, and it has to be sewn on there. Okay, so I got the horn basically completely attached to the hood. There's a tiny space, but I'm just going to hand sew this because it's really difficult to get that in there with a sewing machine. So I'm just going to do that, and I will come back and we will stuff the horn, seal up the horn, and just finish up the last little bits. So I have a really, really long piece of needle and thread here. I'm going to put it through the bottom of the horn and pull the thread all the way through. Then we want to take the stuffy fluff and stuff it back up into the horn. And then the last little bit up through like that. So now we have the horn that's all filled up. I'm going to take the thread and we're going to wrap it around the horn so it curls and looks like an actual horn. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to take the needle and put it right through the horn, kind of like that along the seam, so that it secures it in place as we wrap it around the horn. So there we have a cute curly little unicorn horn. Okay, so now I just I cut off the excess of the horn and I'm just sewing it shut so the stuffing doesn't come out. Just as cleanly and as smoothly as I can. Okay, so now the part that I have been waiting for is we have the very last step is we are going to cut the unicorn mane. Okay, so have our scissors, and I think I want the hair maybe about that wide. So I'm going to cut all the way up. Okay, so there is one of our hairs to our unicorn. Whoa. So our unicorn hoodie is all finished, and now it is time to put it on and go out and have some fun and enjoy it. So I mean, with the exception of the ears, I am really, really happy with the way this hoodie turned out. It's like one of those moments where you like have like a scheme and you're actually able to pull it off and make it come together, and you just have fun with it. I mean, it's like, honestly, I kind of feel like a giant stuffed animal, like, wearing this hoodie. It's like, that's really what it makes you feel like. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Leave in the comments what you are going to be for Halloween. Are you going to make your own costume? What are you going to do? We would love to know. So I want to wish everyone a happy and safe and wonderful Halloween, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!